We about to get straight into it, YouTube. We gotta unbox and do a size guide and shit on this Fear God Essentials hoodie, because I haven't seen no videos with people like doing proper sizing. They always like size down and shit. So I'm like 5'6", I got a medium, goddamn. Shit calm. Calm shit. Calm shit. Calm shit. I'm more concerned about how this shit fits though, for real. With the tags on that bitch, yeah. Alright, but I'm gonna try it on. We're gonna be quick, for real, because I got an M. I'm 5'6", like 130. I was thinking if I should get an S, but I'm probably just gonna keep with this. No, this should be oversized. Alright. With the pockets. Let me fix my goddamn hair, bitch. Yeah, this an M. I fuck with the M. If you like the baggy swag shit, M is good. For real. M is good if you fuck with the baggy swag. I probably could have made this video a little better, but it's dead ass for sizing sake. M, on body with the Wild July with the NBA. Stop playing, for real, but yeah, bro. If you like baggy shit, just get your true size. This is perfect. I was thinking about getting an L. I would have fucked up. If I got an S, I would not be happy. That shit would not have been baggy enough. If you like really baggy shit, that's how it should be, gang. Type shit. But now we getting the thumbnail. Yeah, 5'6" M. If you like baggy shit, get the baggy shit, too. Get your true size. Yeah, bow.